Hi, my name is Beatrice Lam. Welcome to our frequent questions and answers segment from Ishine. Today we're going to be talking about Botox and breaking some of the myths and taboos that you guys are concerned about. So, we have here Botox. The first question goes, does Botox make your face look frozen? And this is a very common question because most patients think that automatically when we inject Botox, which by the way is a neurotoxin, is a brand of neurotoxin, they think that they're gonna have this poker paralyzed face. And the truth is that with neurotoxins, just like Botox, Xeomin, Dysport, we can still have expression in our face. We can have movement, but just minimize marked lines on the face where we look refreshed without having that poker face looks that nobody wants to have. Second question is, how long does Botox last? And typically Botox lasts 3 to 4 months, but you have to keep in mind that it's affected by your metabolism. So depending on your outside life factors, if you're a person who works out a lot, if you go too much to the gym and you tend to sweat or to the sauna, then you're probably going to metabolize this product a little bit faster. Recommended is 3 times a year. Third question, is Botox only for wrinkles? And the reality is that no. Most people don't know, but Botox was first used by ophthalmologists and neurologists in order to work on migraines and some strabismus of the eye. And then they realized that it would also improve with the wrinkles. But medical uses for Botox, besides muscle relaxant, which affects the wrinkles, are treating for bruxism, migraines. It helps with extra sweat glands. So people who sweat a lot under their armpits and other areas of the bodies also can be helped and benefited from Botox. Next question we have is, does it work instantly? And no, Botox never works right away. The difference between the fillers, which actually do see, you see an instant result, is that with Botox, you do have to wait at least 3 to 4 days for it to kick in. In some patients, it even takes the 10 to 14 days in order to see a full final effect. And that's why we usually see you for a follow-up in 2 weeks. Next we have, can I work out after Botox? And normally I would say yes, but I do recommend that you stay 4 hours with your head up. You don't do anything, if you can give yourself a rest, it's better. But typically after 4 hours, you can return back to your normal life. The next one is, can I get Botox and fillers at the same time? And the answer is yes. The more we combine treatments, the better we can do a harmony on the face and they don't interact with each other. You have to remember that Botox is a muscle relaxer and fillers help us give back that support on the face without changing our natural structure. So they work great together, however, they don't interfere with one another. And the last one I have here for Botox is it true that I can't drink anything after I do Botox? And that one, some people will disagree with me, but I tend to tell my patients before injection is where I don't want you drinking anything. If you are taking any biotin or any omega-3s that are supplements that thin your blood, then I'd rather you stop them just because your blood is gonna thin, you're gonna be more prone for bruising. However, after we've already injected, if the bruising happened or it didn't happen, then it's not really going to be affected. So you can go ahead and please enjoy a glass of wine for you and another one for me. Thank you for joining our segments at Ishine. Don't forget to send us your questions. Even if you think they're silly, we answer them and they can answer somebody else's questions as well.